Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a Saint Beauty artist, a DIY lash enthusiast, and a lover of all things beauty. So here on my channel, I do basically talk about all those things. Talk about Saint Makeup is one all-in-one compact that's great for mature and dry skin. I talk about DIY lashes, which I'm wearing today. And then I talk about everything, makeup, skincare, whatever. I love all things beauty. I love to talk about all things beauty. And here on my channel, I really want it to be an educational platform where I'm kind of sharing things that work for me. And I always encourage people to leave comments if it worked for you, if it didn't work for you, if you have a different alternative, if you're confused, whatever it may be. I want people to leave comments and let other viewers know whether or not it worked for you. These are my personal opinions. I have different skin type. I have different skin tone. We all have different preferences on what we're looking for. So that's why I encourage other people to leave comments so that other viewers can be educated as well. So I just ask that you keep them polite and nice. We all have feelings here. So today's video I'm really excited about because I'm going to be doing a review on a teeth whitening system. So I've never used a teeth whitening system before. I do use teeth whitening toothpaste, but I've never used an actual system that kind of gets your teeth whiter quicker kind of thing. And mostly because I have very, very sensitive teeth. So I don't think my teeth are like super yellow. I mean, compared to my shirt, they are not white, but they're not horrible. I do drink coffee. I do drink red wine. I do all those things. So, but I also do use a toothpaste that is whitening. It's a Sensodyne whitening toothpaste. So it just kind of helps not get worse, but it's not really helping them get better either. So I saw this on Instagram. Somebody I follow had recommended it because she had said that she had sensitive teeth and she has not had any sensitivity with this one. So I figured I'd go ahead and give it a try. It is called Banana White. It is a wireless teeth whitening kit. It retails for $199. They are on sale right now. I don't know if they're going to be on sale by the time I get this video up, but I think I got it for a little bit lower than that. I will see if I can. I think she had a coupon code. I will see if I can find her coupon code and leave it down below because I want to say that I got like 20% off or something because I believe I paid less than $150 for it. But basically, I don't know exactly. So it comes in this little box. It does have a little tooth thing so you can see, mark off where you're at before and then where you're after, and then you put your date so that you can kind of see. And then it has the manual. Then it comes with this little LED light. Oh, Lord. Oh, it's got two different things. Oh, you can't see it. So it's got blue and then it's got blue and red. That is so bright. Don't look it in the eye. And then it has, what is this? Here's the little charger that it's supposed to charge into your phone, or I guess it's not really your phone. I don't know why it said, I thought I read somewhere that charges in your phone, but it just goes into a USB and you can charge the actual device. Nice that it actually comes fully charged so you can use it because I would probably be upset. No, I wouldn't probably, I would be upset if it didn't have a charge. So let me see what else. Okay, and then here it comes with 3 little pens. So let's read the instructions. First thing I'm gonna do is try to figure out what color I'm at. I'm like breathing on it. Hold your breath so it doesn't breathe on it. My bottom teeth are a lot yellower. I don't know, it's not picking up in here, but I have like yellow down here. I would say I'm probably like a 7 on my bottom. I'm gonna go with a 5 on top. So let me write that down so I don't forget. Okay, so that's that. So let's read the instructions. It says all the stuff, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it says rinse mouth with water, apply the gel into surface, put the mouthpiece in your mask, press the light 1 time to turn on the blue light. 15 minutes, so long. 15 minutes with the blue mode, 10 minutes with the blue and red mode. Total treatment is 25 minutes. Rinse mouth with water and rinse mouthpiece. That's so long. Do not eat or drink anything except water for 30 minutes after you finish the session. For best results, repeat this process 3 to 5 days in a row. To maintain, use 2 to 3 times per month. So not too bad. You do this to until it starts flowing. Oh, I heard a pop. Okay, it's starting to flow. So it just says to apply the stuff on the surface. Oh my gosh, so much spit. I do notice a little bit less yellow here, but not a ton. Let me see. So I said I was a 7. It's kind of hard to tell with this thing, but I definitely notice a slight difference. I try to do like a before and after or whatever, but like definitely down here, because I feel like my top teeth are always super white, and my husband even commented on it. He's like, your bottom teeth are just so much yellow, more yellow down here. And I'm like, I don't know what the problem is, but I definitely notice a difference. And so when I was doing the mouthpiece, and I have to rinse it off or whatever. Oh gosh, that button is so sensitive. But when I was doing the mouthpiece, when I first did it, or when I first put the gel on, I did feel a little bit, I wouldn't say a burn or a sting or anything like that, but I did feel like something was happening. It wasn't just like I was putting just water on or anything like that. And then when you do the blue light, I didn't feel anything, but when I did the red light, I did feel heat, but it was not uncomfortable. It wasn't painful. It was just heat. So I don't know if it like heats the gel up or anything like that, but it wasn't horrible. I'm going to probably try to do it again tomorrow and see how much, like if I can get that yellow off, because that's really, I don't know if it's picking up here. I just feel like here it's just really yellow. So I'm gonna focus a little bit more on that, but so far I like it. I'm gonna come back, and after I do it for a couple times, I'll come back and let you guys know or see the final result and if there's any sensitivity and all that stuff. So stay tuned. Okay, so I wanted to come back and kind of close out this video, give you my final thoughts and my final review. So did this for 4 days. It said to kind of do it for 4 days to hit the, I guess basically what the final result is going to be. This is what the final result is. So I looked at it. So I was saying that I was at a 5 before. So I definitely feel like my top has gone down, like maybe just a couple. I don't think my teeth were necessarily super yellow to begin with. So I didn't expect like a full on, like, pearly, like it was white as my shirt. Actually they're a little bit yellower. So I was a 7, So I definitely think I went down several shades. I still see yellow right here. That is just the way my teeth are. I mean, I don't really necessarily think it's just like stains. I think my teeth are just naturally yellow, but I did notice the difference. So overall, definitely think it works. I think with somebody who has more yellow teeth than me, or yellower teeth, more yellower, I don't even know what the proper English is for that. But if your teeth are more yellow, then I think you'll probably see more drastic results. It's kind of like, as you get closer to your goal weight, you kind of slow down with your, weight loss kind of thing. So I think overall it does work. I'm going to continue maintaining it, but here's my thoughts. First off, it is kind of a pain that you only get 2 charges for this, because I feel like it takes forever to charge. And the other thing is the charger, when it goes on, it stays on the whole time, which is great, so that like, hey, it's charging because it lights up. But I would much rather have them have a button here where it just lights up instead of the whole thing light up. Because I was keeping it at my bedstand because that's where my USB charger was, and I had to move it into the bathroom and find a brick to put it in, because it was just lighting up the whole room. And even last night, the whole bathroom was lit up and I had to kind of close the door. So, I mean, that's what it looks like basically when it's charging, which is super, super annoying. I wish they just had like a little light here, just so you could be like, okay, it's on properly. And it is a little bit like, one time when I first put it on, I didn't realize that the light was supposed to be put on. So I put it on, it like magnetically goes on, and then it wasn't charging. And I was like, what the heck? Like, I charged it overnight and then it was like still not charged. So then I flipped it over, and that's when the light came on, and I was like, oh, okay. So when it's charging, the light will come on, but it is kind of like, I don't know why they have it where you can actually put it on the device and it not charge. So that's a little flaw thing or whatever, but not that big of a deal. I do wish, I mean, for the price, it's originally $150. I feel like the charge should last a little bit longer than 2 charges. Like give me 4, give me 5, give me 6 or whatever, especially, or like give me 4 because that's how many days you're supposed to use in a row. Like I'm spending $150. You can't get better batteries. There's construction going on my house. So that is what you hear in the background. But so that's my only thing of like the price. I just wish that they would have done 4 days worth of batteries. I feel like there was enough price in there for them to do something. But other than that, it's easy. So the other downside I had was the length of time it takes. So it is 15 minutes that you keep it like this and then 10 minutes like this. It does shut off and it does beep when it's ready to be sent to the next one. But 25 minutes is to me, a considerable amount of time in order to whiten your teeth. Once it goes into maintenance mode, it's really not that bad, but you literally can't do anything because they're spoiled, bubbled up. And I just feel like 25 minutes is an enormous amount of time for it to take. But ultimately, it does work. I don't know. I mean, like I said, I would be interested to see if you guys have ever tried it. Personally, I can't recommend it because it's way too expensive. It's $150. I will put the coupon code that I found from the girl that I ordered it from because I think it was like 20% off. So I'll see if I can find that and link it below in case you're interested. I do feel like it works, but I don't feel like it's super, super like dramatic. And it's just like 25 minutes is so long. And I know that's first world problems, but I feel like there's just so many other things out in the market that are a lot less time and you're not like literally hijacked in. Now I did use it where I was going someplace. Like I did do it one day when I was driving to work and I just did it in the car, which is super, super easy, but you have to have like water with you and you have to have somewhere to like swish your mouth out and spit in. And it just was too like bring in extra cup, like a spit cup. And what am I going to do with it afterwards? Like it was just a little bit too much, but that is an option. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, it's just with the price, not necessarily something that I can recommend to everybody. I'm going to be trying out a couple other things after my teeth kind of get back to where they were before. But please let me know if you've tried this product. If you've tried like this product or any other products that you feel really, really work and they don't make your teeth sensitive. Oh, that's the other thing I forgot to mention. No sensitivity. So that was kind of, I want something that works, doesn't make your teeth sensitive, is affordable, but then also is less time than 25 minutes. So if you know anything that checks off all of those 4 boxes, please leave them down below. Let me take a look at it. Let other viewers know. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.